One of the main things in a large worksheet, you should learn how to freeze panes. You can see all this data, and look, you'd be scrolling through there, putting and adding different things, but you wouldn't know what the labels were. You will always click wherever you want to freeze the pane. You want to click and everything above it will be frozen. Let me show you. If you're in here and this is where you would like it to be frozen, you'd like all the labels to still be there. You can even highlight them. Let's say we bolded them, to make them a little bit more noticeable. But we wanted to freeze the frames to where it wouldn't do this. So we'd go up to the View tab, and you see where it says Freeze Panes. You click on it, freeze the pane. Now watch what happens when you scroll. You see? All the labels stay there. You can get down to one that you're adding right here. Just add it. It doesn't do anything to the data. That merely is viewing. That's how you freeze panes.